that your bias is aligned with the market structure, this would be the time to finally execute. But let's take a look at something. Let's put this into context. You would have had to wait until, look at this, Thursday. I'd be very curious to see, out of everybody that's here in chat today, out of the 800 people that are viewing this, how many people would honestly be able to say that you have enough patience to not take any positions from Monday to Thursday? To be able to wait and be patient enough until all of the information aligns. I'd be really curious to know how many could be that patient to have no executions until Thursday of a week. I'll keep saying it. A lot of the time, this business is spent doing nothing. You hear me say it all the time. If you're in the Discord, if you're following me on Twitter, less is more. Quality over quantity. I say it all the time. People always ask me, why do you only take one position a week? Why is your maximum amount of trades 2 times a week? You have to realize that this is money that you're not supposed to have. You don't have it, probably because you're not profitable yet. You should be grateful if you even obtain any money from the market, instead of being in such a rush to give it back. Here's the harsh reality. Stop listening to everybody on Twitter. Stop listening to everybody on social media. If you see a post that says, I'll show you how to turn $500 into $1 million in a week, you better run the opposite direction. That is misinformation. That is euphoria. That does not happen. We are not playing the lotto. Now I'll bring you back to reality. 1 good trade a week? 2 good trades a week? Isn't that why we're here? Aren't we here because of time freedom? Financial freedom? Why would being stuck to a screen trying to take 10 trades a day be freedom? That sounds like the same thing as a 9-to-5 job. So why are we doing that? Why are you taking multiple trades a day? 10, 20 trades a week? That's not freedom. Freedom is spending time with your family, going outside, having time to yourself, working on your health, not being attached to a screen. So, why don't we just focus on getting 1 good trade a week, 2 good trades a week? Cover your car payment, cover your mortgage. As soon as that's done, turn everything off and go do something else. Stop thinking that you're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars a week. Couple $100 a week. Couple $100 a trade. Just focus on covering your car payment. And that's it. Once you've covered your car payment for the month, stop trading. Keep that money. Protect that capital. Risk management will always be the #1 priority at all times. Stop comparing to anybody else and start focusing on yourself and your own abilities. Sorry to get off track there. Quick little rant about risk management. It's very needed, but we can continue with the analysis. I just need to put things into perspective for you guys, because you need to have realistic expectations. When you have unrealistic expectations, that induces emotions that are going to deter you from completing your goals. Okay. Let's get back to the analysis. Right, the whole reason why that rant even started was because I was curious to know if people would even be capable of waiting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Would you even be able to wait until Thursday to get your first execution? Right, because now that the market structure broke in the direction of your bias, clearly and decisively, now let's go look for our entry function.